Alright, so in today's video I'm just gonna do a quick video on how to remove the trailing arms. I am upgrading mine just to some gusseted ones. So those right there are my stock ones, and then I got these now. They are gusseted, so this plate here has a gusset here where the one of the shocks goes, and it's one of the weak points from these, so it's gusseted on both sides. I took them to get powder coated as well, and then a piece here is gusseted. These were done by Cab Fabrications, so he was able to do that for me. He sells the kit. He also works on them, so we're pretty much swapping. He did these. I'm gonna take them my stock ones, and the color isn't straight on, but this color is the same as my cage, so it'll be matching with the cage. And then the springs on my shocks, we're actually gonna be upgrading those, so they will no longer be blue. They're like this silver type gray. Shock therapy. And I already removed one. I've never removed these actually, but you do have to remove all this. Your calipers, 2 screws, both of them are size 15. Yep, 15. And then the rivets, I'll show you guys a video on how I remove them, but they're not too hard. I thought they were gonna be a little harder. Your 3 screws for the trailing arms, 18s, and then the center one here, you have to remove it for the axle. You have an 18 here and an 18 there. Your shocks are also 18. This one's an 18. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I remove these rivets. I only have these 2 left in order to get this trailing arm off. But I pretty much just get a drill bit that's bigger than the center hole here, and I drill right through the middle. When you're drilling, you want to control the speed, because if you do this, all that does is create heat and it won't cut as good. The rivet's gonna start spinning here in a little bit, and that's how I know when it's good. Let me do this one while I'm here. Let's try and pop them off. And I get a flat head. I get it in between there. And then you just turn the flathead and it pops out that little ring. Kinda gotta get it in this one. So I didn't even need the flathead. But there, got all of them. Oh, I missed this one here. Got one more to do, but just wanted to show you guys how I take those off. It's not too difficult. So I'm gonna be starting with the rivets on how to remove them, and I'm gonna do a hyperlapse on this. That way we can try and make the video a little short. So here we go. So now that I removed all the rivets, it's about 6 of them. 1, 2, yeah, 6 of them. You'll get your brake line released. And now I'm gonna work on removing the caliper, the axle nut, and these 3. So these are 18. The calipers are 15s. I don't remember the axle nut, but I'm gonna put it in hyperlapse because all you're doing is removing the bolts and stuff, so it's pretty easy. So on the other side, the cotter pin came out pretty easy. On this one, I'm having trouble taking it off, so I kind of broke it. I'm gonna just have to get a new cotter pin, but I try to tighten it so it lines up a little better, but it doesn't want to. But it's coming out little by little, so I'll keep working it out. As soon as I get it off, I'll continue. So I was able to finally get them off. Now I'm gonna work on getting this one off, and I'll just continue with the hyperlapse. So I pretty much have everything removed. I just have to unloosen this bolt over here and it should drop. But it is a size 18 still. Arms out. There we go. So it's about a 20 to 30 minute. Once you do one, you get more comfortable with the other one. But I want to say about 20 minutes, you can get it all off.